Mike Hughes here. I'm at Goby Divers in Curacao, and I'm here with Angela and Patricia. But she's hiding over on the other side.
Right here.
Okay, well, you want to tell us a little bit about your operation?
Yeah, we make a very good operation of a boat and shore dive.
Okay.
Yeah. Can be guided dive. It can be just you take your tanks and you go with your own car. Curacao is a great place for doing that.
Okay,
Yeah.
so yeah.
Yep.
And then so now you have a dive shop, or is it
We have
connected?
a dive shop. Right now we are located at Reeds.
Right.
Yep, which is in the central area.
Okay.
Yeah, in historical part of the town.
Oh, okay.
But the dive sites we do, they are basically spread on the southeast, of the island, or central east,
Is that because-
central west. Let's tell like that.
Is that because it's more sandy down there and the beaches are there for walk-ins, or what?
But no, those are, we have like Curacao. It's a huge island
Right.
with very spread dive sites.
Okay.
Those are the dive sites easier for us to get to from boat.
Okay.
Yeah? There is many of the sites that we can do only from boat, and there are others that we can do from shore as well. So that's why we get like in 1 week you cannot do them all.
Now, how many boats do you work with, or what?
We have a boat.
Okay.
One boat.
And how many people?
This boat goes with 12 people.
Okay.
Because we make more like personalize it, but we don't just do personalize it. If we have a bigger groups, we can handle that as well. We can do that as well.
Are there
Yeah.
more sites that they want to go to in particular? What are the most?
We're pretty much flexible as possible, of course. Yeah. And we always look to give the best sites for the people.
Right.
According to the weather and
The weather too.
Yeah.
What are the most popular sites?
The most popular sites on the southeast or central east and southeast. It is Maripampum, Tugboat, Kokomo, Snake Bay is very popular. We have some that are beautiful, but they are not really popular. Like the Double Reef is amazing. Yeah, the Water Factory is very nice, very shallow, like up to 3 meters. Beautiful reef over there.
A lot of life.
A lot of life. Yeah. And because it's shallow, it's even more vivid colors. Yeah.
Easy second dive.
Yeah. We can do 1 hour dive there, 2 hours dive, no problem.
On one tank.
Yeah, it's amazing. It's amazing. Those are the most popular on this side. Also, Porto Mari is very popular. It's a beach with a restaurant, facilities, and they have a double reef over there as well.
Okay.
It's one of the few double reefs we have on the island. Superior Producer is one of my favorites. However, it's a deep dive, 110 feet, feet 10 meters, yeah.
Close enough.
32 meters.
Cool. And if they want more information about your operation?
Oh yeah, they can contact us. Our website is www.goby, Goby, like
Just
the
like the
fish.
sign.
Yeah. And I think it's over there.
Yeah.
Goby-divers.com.
So put a dash in it,
In between.
and then a .com at the end.
.com at the end.
Perfect. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.